Because
no Ishan woman.
they say na Ishan dey replace all the market for Benin here.
No Ishan woman.
Okay.
You go find Ishan woman for Ishan.
Thank you.
Na me just dey forefront for the struggle when I hear say dem put Pastor Josephine for Iyeki. Now say how dem go put Pastor Josephine for Iyeki? Now start the protest. We all now we come dey protest together. Good morning, my brother.
Thank you, mommy.
Don.
Why we come today be say before I first dey see you with Ogiame Blackie, where she be Iyeki, and now I dey see you with the new Iyeki General with the new crown.
Yes.
Josephine. Wetin happen?
Wetin happen na be say really na me just dey forefront for the struggle when I hear say dem put Pastor Josephine for Iyeki. Now say how dem go put Pastor Josephine for Iyeki? Now start the protest. We all now we come dey protest together. But as dem come call me say no, Blackie no carry cab for Iyeki o. Me come dey ask am wetin happen? Make you come, make we go palace. Make you come, make we go government house. All these ones now e no suppose to be. So e no follow me, e no answer me. So when we come do now, as Pastor Josephine come call me now say you no fit carry Iyeki. Wetin come do Blackie? Na our Blackie na be our Iyeki. Now he say no, Iyeki seat is vacant. Say since wey the last Iyeki die, another Iyeki dem no crown am. Say na Blackie na dem crown as secretary that time. Now I say no. Now I come dey find am. He come call Tinubu daughter. So now that one say there's nothing like that. The seat was vacant. And I say me not believe. Now he take carry me go Lagos. Now I say I must see to the root. And as he dey tell me, na so I dey call Blackie, na so I dey tell am. Say see as I don waka reach for this struggle. As even I still dey Lagos, I tell am say I dey Lagos. When I search the file, I no see Benin name. Now I come ask am, I call am, I ask am. I say why all this na? Wetin na? Why Benin name? Why e no dey? He say I think me say me wan follow just. No be say I wan follow am. Why Benin name no dey? Since wey our last Iyeki die, why e be say another Iyeki no come enter? Na im make us dey miss many things. Many things wey dey come from federal, e no dey reach us. E no dey reach us. Like this one now, no be a month ago now. Na im make me come out because I don take my mouth spoil Tinubu finish. I don take my mouth spoil everybody finish, even up to Josephine. But when I go Lagos, I come find out say all was propaganda, all was lying. So my conscience will not be clear if I did not apologize. That is why I did that apology to Tinubu daughter. Because for me, you cannot lie against me and go scot-free. So I cannot lie against somebody I know. What she did not do, I said she did it. All in the name of politics that she was playing, tricking us. So that is why I apologize. I told everybody, please ma, forgive us. I was ignorant of all this. It is good you open a book. Don't judge book by the cover. Open it and see the content inside. Then I apologize to Pastor Josephine too, because I really spoil her. I know her as a coordinator. She was our coordinator by then. So I now apologize to them. So that is why I went to Lagos. I saw everything by myself. That is why I make that apology.
Okay. We hear say when they make Josephine the Iyeki General, say drive many Benin people come up for market, come replace am with Ishan people.
That one na pure lie. Now this one I be the lie when I say I hate. Me, I be Iyeki for Ogba market. I say when the struggle start, now me say I must see the root of this thing. Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? Now make me dig deep up to that extent when I go Lagos. All the protests una no dey see me. Una no dey see how wetin I dey take my mouth dey talk. Okay, as I come deep now I come see say na lie, na all be. Wetin you expect me to do? Me, my conscience will not be free if I did not apologize. That is why I apologize. E no drive anybody. He not drive anybody. All the Iyeki are intact except the one that said they are not coming, that they are going to work with Blackie. Myself, I went to Ogiso market. I pleaded with her. When Pastor Josephine told me that Iyeki Ogiso refused to come, I said I will go and meet her. I went to her. I pleaded with her. She said no. She even told me the story of Asoro, how they betrayed Asoro. I said, yeah, there's no betrayal in this one now. I found the truth. If you look at the media, you will see me when I was apologizing because Megwa to Ore. Iyeti you know mo Ore Jomagbe. I also went to New Benin to meet Osula. Osula said she is with Blackie. If even Blackie is not Iyeki, she's not going to work with Pastor Josephine. I even went as far as that. Okay, I called her. I said, come. I found out the truth. Oh, let us work with this woman so that peace will reign. Madam Blackie can be our matron. She can still be, she's still the secretary. But there's no Iyeki. She's only acting as Iyeki. She's not Iyeki. Oh. I find out the truth. So Oka, come. Oka said no. Her case is in the court. Her father is the owner of the land. Her father is this. Her father is that. So she's ready to. So it's Blackie that crown her. I said no. Don't make mention of that again. I said please come. Let us unite together. I went to those three people. I went to them. I pleaded with them. I told them the truth. I said, you people know me. I don't have time for tribalism or sentiment. I don't have time. I always stand by the truth.
Okay, mommy. So that means no Ishan woman now be Iyeki for anything.
No. Because no Ishan woman.
They say na Ishan they can replace all the market for Benin here.
No Ishan woman.
Okay.
You go find Ishan woman for Ishan.
For those South.
Come, if you doubt me now, may you go round Edo South, whether you go see where they unseat Iyeki. E not dey, except few market when I know say their mama die, Iyeki die, they never replace am. Number one, Ekiosa. Number two, Oba market. Number three, Irimi market. That is Omusan market. Number four, New Benin. These four markets need new Iyeki. If new Iyeki is installed in these four new markets, this four new space, that is a different thing. Not that he unseat all the Iyeki. I'm Iyeki, I'm still in my seat.
Okay. Thank you. Hey, good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Now, if you're now we need to know where has some history that do. Concerning Nando Krame Iyeki. Akawe there.
Awakawe ji.
Ema ke Lagos ate.
Pege gwa dawa we no gbemuda yala a governor. Otion ege e mama degwe oyelogbose. E mama degwe ni oyelogbose bi ha ogwa mege lawa ni no ga okagbe logbose ogba owe rapa. Oyin agba oyelogbose. Gbemuda na we no mu emiti kweki gbo. Bege no gbemuda wa yare. Ona do mu emiti kweki, ona do mu egbo. Awa krami ahia. Kege ni wa de. Mama degwe mu yoto. Mama gweri ogene namu. Mama gweri ogene gi mu yoto. Mama mofo namu. Mama mofo gi mu yoto. Ona do segbe iye tomi. Iye tomi na che omozuwa. Jeneti. Emi na ume gian omozuwa. Ono iye tomi. Ori wene mama ge edopaye or we fasilele. Then a Blackina with secretary Lilia, Iria Hani Jaru, our meso. Then anyway, Mama Yetomi woo, a dopa ye woo, honor do segbe Amalawa, Mama Malawa. Mama Malawa Nabija woge. ogi woge neni mama mala wagu yowa no ya ela elele ide yoga no
The function Iyeki general in what is their duty?
if instruction am eje ki general oni iye ki ya fefe no ware Edo state nyo coordinate ma nyo coordinate ko ya da me ke na iri egbo omohia wewi nyo tie da de elidare da de ki o wa tin ya we ni avie wore iri aya we
Have a local snooker where near one day in Lagos in Akedia.
ni do awe
And it was
that no wa leader ya fefe Lagos oyi nyo re odowe oni ya te ye Tinubu ege ni then so ke Port Harcourt re so ke Ibadan re that day state ya kere do iwe anya do bob we bobo ere awawe
a blackie, yeah, Yesterda.
awe health secretary or lady ye to me
But I got one thing very
since e ma be hero no ladin we yan Iyeki since e le ye to me who health secretary eyin ya ti gbin Iyeki
okay. Amado,
eyin ma ka e wo be here do ru gbera ni na koko wu ni na secretary
okay. Let's see.